ready to transform your passion into profit and launch your online store in minutes. Let's dive into creating your Payhip account and setting up your e-commerce business. First things first, head over to Payhip.com. You'll see a clean homepage, and right there, you can't miss it, is the Get Started for Free button. Click that to begin creating your account. Now, fill out the registration form. You'll need to enter your email address, create a secure password, and give your brand new store a name. Make it catchy and relevant to what you'll be selling. Once you've submitted your details, check your email. Payhip will send you a verification link. Click on that link to confirm your email address and activate your account. Congratulations, your account is active. You'll land in your Payhip dashboard. The next crucial step is to add your first product. Look for the prominent Add Product button and click it. Payhip offers a fantastic range of options. You can sell digital downloads, ebooks, create memberships, or even host online courses. Select the type of product that best suits your offering. Let's assume you're selling a digital download. You'll then be prompted to add the product title, a compelling description to entice customers, set your price, and of course, upload your actual digital file. Make sure your description highlights the benefits and value for your customers. To make your store truly yours, spend a few moments customizing its look. You can upload your logo, choose brand colors, and personalize the overall aesthetic to reflect your unique business identity. To start receiving payments, you'll need to connect a payment gateway. Payhip integrates seamlessly with popular options like Stripe and PayPal. Follow the on-screen instructions to link your preferred payment processor. And just like that, with your products added and payments set up, you're ready to launch. Find that Publish Your Store button and make your business live to the world. You've successfully created your Payhip account and launched your online store. Now you can start selling your digital downloads, memberships, and more with ease. Happy selling!